A group of Korean medical personnel have embarked on a trip to Sierra Leone as part of government efforts to help contain the deadly Ebola virus in West Africa. Now, the team will return after about a week to assess the conditions so that the Korean government can later decide on the final scale of its support team. Connie Kim reports.
Korea dispatched its first group of medical personnel to Sierra Leone this Thursday to give the Ebola-stricken country a much-needed helping hand.
We will lay the groundwork to ensure the best conditions for our medical staff while they tend to the needs there.
Seoul's Foreign Affairs Ministry says that volunteering doctors, nurses, and military officers will first visit Britain before traveling to the West African country. The group is being dispatched in advance to check the medical facilities and working conditions in Sierra Leone. Staying there until November 21st, the Korean team will work at a British Ebola treatment facility in the capital Freetown with other health experts from countries such as Britain and Denmark. The deployment comes as the World Health Organization reports the total death toll from this Ebola outbreak has now surpassed 5,000. The number of new cases are slowing in Liberia and Guinea, but Ebola is still spreading fast in Sierra Leone. On Sunday alone, 111 new Ebola cases were reported in the West African country, one of the highest daily rates ever recorded. And making matters worse is that only 19 out of the 53 treatment centers in the country are operating due to a lack of medical supplies and personnel. As fears grow about the devastating effects Ebola is having on Sierra Leone, Korea has vowed to continue its support even after the first team returns to Korea. After receiving assessments from the first task force team, the Korean government will decide upon the final number of medical staff to send to Sierra Leone. 145 doctors, nurses, laboratory technicians, and safety managers applied to join the global efforts. The number of applicants far outstripped the government's expectations, but Seoul only plans to send less than 40 personnel to the West African country by the end of December. Connie Kim, Arirang News.